Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic NanoCAD tutorials how to draw ellipse. To draw ellipse, you can click at these ellipse icons, and if you click on drop down menu, there are two options to draw ellipse. First, you can draw from a center point, and the second, we can draw by diameter. I will click at this option, center point. Need to specify for the center point. I will click in here. I will move to drag here in horizontal, and you can set radius, like I will set into 10 for radius. Then you can set for the Y radius like into 5 and press enter. So it will create the ellipse with radius 10 and then radius 5. For the seconds, you also can create the ellipse by diameter. You can click at this icon. I will click from this point into here. I will set for diameter into 20, press enter. And then in here you can set for diameter into 10, press enter. Like this. So you can click again, tools by diameter. You can set like from this point into here, diameter into 20. And then in here for vertical, you can set radius, like I will set into 5, press enter. Okay, that's it for basic NanoCAD tutorials, how to draw ellipse. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below video.